What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about the best investing and breaking news with everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Today, we're talking about Ethereum. Ethereum right now is up a whopping 8%, almost 10% today. And right now it is sitting at 3,700. So what is going on with Ethereum? Well, we're going to be looking at some burning updates regarding Ethereum. We're going to be also looking at the Fear and Greed Index and also charting at the very end, and maybe give you guys a little bit of insight of maybe where the price could go, up or down. So let's dive into it. So right now, yes, like I said, the price is at 3,700. If we look at the yearly chart, it's up 680%. I mean, that's just double of what Bitcoin is. So Ethereum is actually having a lot more action this year than Bitcoin, and that is huge. And since Ethereum is the largest DeFi network and has the largest ecosystem of all DeFi networks, including, Cardano, Polkadot, Solana, Terra Luna, they are leading the charge. And obviously NFTs are a huge part of this game, but also you got to think about the future of Ethereum. There's a lot more ahead to look forward to. But let's just look at what's going on in the burning phase. Now, about 162,000 ETH have already been burned. That's equivalent to $600 million worth of ETH being burnt. And this is because people are trading heavily on the Ethereum network. And that is also due to the NFTs. NFTs are a huge craze right now. So about 7 ETH are burned per minute. That's pretty huge. This is based on the 24-hour chart. And it continues. I don't think NFTs are going to start to slow down. And what I actually find very interesting is that in the Fear and Greed Index, we're at 71 rather than 73. So we're not even in the euphoria stage, which is usually around the dark green area. With 71 being the greed area, yes, people are being greedy, but just think about where Ethereum hit before. And I'm going to show you the chart right here. When we were reaching new all-time highs, and this was in May, and Bitcoin had hit 60,000, the Fear and Greed Index, we were deeply in the green, meaning people were just in this euphoria where they just would not stop buying, and people were just FOMOing in. So we're not even at that stage right now, and this is really bullish for Ethereum. That means that right now, even though we're at 3,700, we're going to break our all-time high, and a lot of people are speculating that we're going to hit around the 5 to 10K range around the end of the year. But I like to think about what can we see in the near term, because you want to kind of figure out if you want a dollar cost average in right now, if you want to wait for the dip to put money in. But let's look at the chart. So as we can see here, we're still above the EMA ribbon. We had broke this ascending triangle and we broke out of it, and we almost touched our target of around 3,800. So we take this, from the high to the low, and we veer it over here to see where our next target could be. And so what that would look like is around here, the 3,800 range. And we did not touch that, but the trading volume is growing slowly. And, there could be other downside to it, which is, what if we decide we don't want to go up, but we actually are retracing back down, and then we could, descend downwards. But I just don't think that's going to happen given the bullish news that we have. So I only think that, maybe we'll do a little bit of consolidation, but eventually we're going to keep going up and up and up. So with that said, I did a little bit of an overview of what the chart could look like if we continue to go into this bull market. So if we were to pass the 3,800 range, right, our next target would actually be the 4,300 range. So we would actually be heading towards the all-time high and breaking that record. And so I can definitely see that if we break this barrier of 3,800. Now, let me go ahead and just zoom a little further out, right, because I want to show you guys a bigger picture. So I'm going to do a Fibonacci retracement, and we'll do it on the weekly chart, right? So let's just go here, right, and you can see my little rocket up there. So we're going to go from the all-time high, right, to the lowest point possible, right? And so as you can see here, we're looking at hopefully a target price at around 6,800. So this is basically what I'm trying to say here, is that if we were to decide to break from that barrier, right, of the 4,300 all-time high, then we could see a price continue to actually go up even further to the moon. And so what that would look like is we have this price discovery phase. So there's, it most likely won't just go straight up, but it will do a lot of volatile changes to get to that point. I mean, we could even see, the price go from here and then do a sharp correction and then go break to that new all-time high. So realistically, in the short to near term, we want to see it break around the 3,800 level, and then when it breaks there, we're aiming to the new all-time high level of 44 or 43,000. If we break that barrier, guys, we're heading around this range to around $6,800 in the short to immediate term. That's what I do believe. I don't think that this is a long-term play. I think that this is going to happen definitely before the end of the year. Now, 10K is a reasonable outlook to look at it. I mean, that's very much up here, but again, like the chart changes every day. We don't know where the market's going to go. This is just my prediction of at the moment. And my long positions kind of show me like, if you had gone around at this time, you can definitely see that the market is continuing to go up. So yeah, guys, that's just my point of view. Let me know your thoughts down below, what you think. This is a real quick video because Ethereum is definitely showing some bullish activity. But if you have any thoughts of where the price may hit in the next week or so, please let me know. I want to know your comments down below. This is just my own opinion. This is my own financial opinion. This is not financial advice. But you guys can definitely tell me what your thoughts are if we're going to be hitting this goal pretty soon. You never know. Ethereum has a lot to go for it. And there's a lot of bullish things that we should expect in the short term. So hope you guys liked that video. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time.